Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, and welcome to the wigs I wore in December. I cannot believe we are in December already. It's amazing. This year has flown by. Excuse my voice. Been fighting the cold for the last few weeks, but I think I'm beginning to win this war. So just bear with me today. We're going to get through this because I really want to show you some of the wigs I wore in December. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And what I do once a month is I show you some of the wigs I chose to wear in the previous month. So this is not a wig review. As you know, this is just a fast, fun overview of a few of the wigs that I think are fun to wear that I chose for the month. So if you see one of these wigs that you want to know more about, you want to see the cap, you want to see it in outdoor lighting, just put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel, and if I have done a full review, it will pop up there for you. So it's very easy to find the full reviews. All right, let's get started and look at the wigs I wore in December. Let's start it off. Belle Tress Peppermint. This is Sumptuous Strawberry. Now this is the wefted version. When I first got Peppermint, I thought, oh my goodness, way much too long hair for me. I don't know. Now I'm like, I love it. I love everything about it. Low density, beautiful long style. Of course, Sumptuous Strawberry. This is such a beautiful color. I have it in so many different styles. I just think that Belle Tress knows how to do these shades. But let me just let you have a close-up look at Sumptuous Strawberry. See the lace front. Like I said, this is not a review. I just want to show you a few of these. I like this with a sweater like this that really doesn't have a collar. It doesn't, rub on it much, and so that keeps the fibers looking better longer, these heat-friendly fibers. But I just don't think you can go wrong with Peppermint. Okay, this is Henry Margu Hannah in 24H18. Now, this is my 5th Hannah, I believe. I will always have Hannah in my wig wardrobe. Now, one reason I want to show you this one, if you've seen my other reviews of Hannah, they are different. This one is a little different. Now, the manufacturers tell us it can be up to a 10% variance in color, in style, in curl pattern. This one has a little more of a wave than my other Hannahs do. So that's why I wanted to show you this one. That's why I wore this one this month. I love Hannah. I think it's a nice length. I like the little shagginess of it. I like the bang. Well, obviously, I like everything about it. This is just a nice length. If you're looking for something a little longer, you might enjoy this one. Again, just kind of a little bit lower than the collarbone here, which I think is age appropriate. Look, I'm 63. And you know me, if you watch my channel, I could care less what anybody thinks about what looks good on me. I wear what I like. And I encourage you to do the same. Wear what you like. Wear what makes you feel beautiful. That's what this whole wig journey is about. Finding what we like. Do we like finding different colors, finding different styles, experimenting with different hair? It is just a fun journey. Once you get into it, I understand in the beginning, it's not so fun. In the beginning, it can be very stressful. But as you move along and you get familiar with wigs and you start to have fun with wigs and see how you can change your look in a matter of seconds, I want you to embrace that journey. And again, wear what makes you feel beautiful. Now, another wig that you have seen me show you so many times, Aesthetica Designs Jet, RH1488, RT8. Everybody if you're a pixie lover, if you love short hair, you need Jet if you don't have it already. Has a nice nape here. It stays really close to the neck, which I appreciate. You can move your head up and down. It's not going to pull away from your neck. I like the way it sweeps over. I just pull mine over to the side. And guys, I like to put my hands in my wigs, and a lot of times people tell me, oh, you mess with your wigs too much. Well, I'm doing that for a reason. I'm showing you that I don't have my wigs highly styled. This is just me. I take them out of the box, I put them on my head, I run my fingers all through them, I mess them up to show you these are not highly styled wigs. These are my wigs that I have bought. And let me just say again, all the wigs I'm going to show you today are from wigstudio1.com. I either purchased them or they were sent to me for previous review. But all the wigs are from Wig Studio One. And I like to get my hands in them and play with them so you can see how I achieve a style. And you can see these are not highly styled wigs. These are wigs out of the box that I am putting on my head. I'm manipulating the fibers to get to a look that I like, and you can do it too. Let's talk about this wig for a minute. This is Naro Seville, and the color is Crimson LR. Now, I love this wig, and yes, I know I say I love them all. You know why? I do. I love them all. I can love them all. You can too. I don't love just one wig. I love all my wigs. That's why I wear them. I'll wear the ones I love, and I think this is such a fun, longer style wig. Now, I will tell you, I have trimmed the bangs on this wig. I like to let you know what I do to my wigs. If I have altered them in any way, I will always tell you. And I have trimmed these bangs, and I use a hot air brush just to bump them under every time I wear it. Now, Seville. This is a little more budget friendly. Now, please keep in mind, when I don't take that word lightly, budget friendly. What is budget friendly for me or you might not be budget friendly for someone else. So we all have different budgets. We all have, you know, different amounts of money we can spend on wigs, and wigs are not inexpensive. That is not lost on me. So please know, when I say budget friendly, I'm saying this one is a little less than some of the others I might be showing you today. So check this one out if you're looking for a longer style. I just ordered this. I got it on clearance at Wig Studio One in a different color. I just got a new one in. So I'm going to trim the bangs on it, and then I'll show it to you. Isn't this color just beautiful? Oh gosh, I think it's so vibrant and pretty. I think it's great for this time of year with different kind, you know, this would be beautiful with a turtleneck. Oh gosh, I think you can wear this with anything. I love the color. It comes in a variety of shades, so there really is something for everyone. If you like wigs with bangs, check out Seville. Okay, let's go a totally different direction. Let's do something shorter and blonde. This is Ellen Villa Esprit, the color Champagne Rooted. I've shown you this wig so many times before, but I like the casualness of this wig. I just use some plain water. That's what this is. I run my fingers through it. I separate these curls. I want it messy. You know, again, if you follow along with me, you know, I don't like fixed hair. Not that there's anything wrong with fixed hair. I just prefer my hair messy. I feel like sometimes a dead giveaway for a wig is one that is perfectly fixed. You know, our normal natural hair, bio hair, usually is not perfect, right? It's a little messy. Mine always was anyway. So I like that. I want it to be a little messy. I want it to be fun. I want it to have a lot of movement. Now, Esprit is a hand-tied cap, beautiful lace front, champagne rooted, a beautiful blonde color. I think that Ellen Villa did a really good job. So if you're looking for just a beachy wave, throw it and go, have a look at Esprit. Okay, a classic. Raquel Welch Untold Story, Fiery Copper. Love this wig. I have shown it to you so many times. I have it in several colors. I wear it a lot. And I just think this is a beautiful silhouette. Long sweeping bang, Fiery Copper, gorgeous color. Hand-tied cap. Look at that lace front. Just beautiful. I think Untold Story is, of course, a bestseller for Raquel Welch, and I see why. It's easy to wear. It really is. It's just beautiful. You know, they know how to do this highlighting around the face, which I think just brightens your face up. You can wear this up off your face. You have these waves that's just beautiful. Let me know, have you tried Untold Story? If you have, let me know your thoughts on it. All right, this is another style that I was late to the game on. You know, sometimes I'm the last one to review a wig. But I had seen this so many times. When I got the opportunity to get it, I thought, okay, now I see what all the hype is. It is a very nice wig. This is Aesthetica Sage RH12 26 RT4. I like this color. Look at this beautiful color. I like the waves. I like the bang. I like everything about it. This has a mono part. There is some permatease in this wig, and I will also tell you this wig ran really large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head, and I really had to bring in the adjusters on this. Again, Beachy Wave. You know, Beachy Waves have been around a couple of years now. I don't think they're going anywhere, and the reason is I think they work for most people, for most face shapes. It gives you just a little, look how pretty, just look how pretty the wave is on this. Just gorgeous. A lot of movement here, like I said. Get your hands in it. You can really get some big hair here because there's definitely some permatease running through this wig, but you could also sleek this down more. I just like, you know, I'm all about the permatease. Just me. I understand people that don't want anything to do with it, and that's great. I respect that, but I, however, really like it because I like big hair. Here's another beautiful red color. This is Gabor Timeless Beauty SS Rusty Auburn. Now, look at this color. They did a gorgeous job. I like how it's kind of high. It gets light on the tips here a little bit. I like that. You can see the highlights running through here. Timeless Beauty has been very popular, and I think because now this has a mono part, there is a small amount of permatease here. Not a lot. There is some at the nape of this wig. I definitely feel some at the nape. But not a huge amount. Now, you know, that's my opinion, and you know I like permatease. So I do feel some permatease here, but you may say, oh, that's a lot of permatease. So I can only give you my opinion of how it feels to me. There is a little on the top to give it the littlest amount of lift here. It's so minimal on the top. You can see the sleekness of this wig. So if you haven't tried this one, have a look at Timeless Beauty. It is, like I said, one of their best sellers, and I think for a reason. All right, if you like wavy hair and you haven't tried this one, have a look at this. Henry Margu Jules 88 GR. You know, a lot of people, I see Jules everywhere. This is a very popular style. Lots of waves here. Show you this front. You know, this is the ultimate throw on and go, in my opinion. You don't have to do anything. Run some water through here, run your fingers through it, separate these curls out a little. You can put it behind your ear if you want to. You can clip this in a clip. I've done that so many times. I will clip this up off my face. I will either braid the front or just twist it and twist it up off my face. But this continues to be a go-to for me. I reach for this often. I just think it's one you can't go wrong with. You throw it on your head and you get out the door. There is permatease in this wig. There is. But again, that's great with me. But I just think this has a pretty, look how pretty it is around the face. It has a really nice, the way it's contoured here. It comes up, it looks beautiful. I just can't say anything bad about Jules. Another wig I always want to have is John Renault January. This is the hand-tied version, and caramel syrup. All right, again, the beachy wave. Look at the highlighting in this. I love the chunky highlights in caramel syrup. I just think this is a beautiful style. Like I've said through all of these, I think they're beautiful. They're mine. I reach for them all the time. I just think this is a style that looks so cute on so many people with its fun waves. Hand tied, lace front of course, mono top. Just, you can do so much with this. It can be really sophisticated, or you could throw this on with a cute bandana headband and make it very casual. So just keep your eye out if you haven't tried it. January from Jon Renau. Thanks so much for joining me today and having a look at a few of the wigs I wore in December. Please stay with me. And if you like, again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And hang in there for 2024. I got some big surprises coming. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.